In Lesson 7, we use proportions to introduce the concept of speed. Let's go over two examples. Here's box A. A car travels 180 miles in 3 hours. How far will it go per hour? And remember, when it says per hour, it means per 1 hour. So I'll write that down. Let's set up our proportion. We don't have A's and B's, but we do have miles and hours. So here is miles per hour equals miles per hour. Be sure to use MI for miles and not just M, because M stands for meters. Now let's put in the numbers where they belong. 180 miles, where does 180 go? It goes right here with miles. In 3 hours, where does the 3 go? It goes with H for hours. How far will it go per 1 hour? Where does the 1 go? It goes with hours right here. Now it's just a simple equivalent fraction. How do you go from 3 to 1? And we do that by dividing by 3. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. 180 divided by 3 gives you 60. Circle your answer. 60 miles. And let's just check. Did we answer the question? How far will it go? And the answer is 60 miles. Now let's look at box D, which asks for the speed. Here it says, a car travels 400 miles in 8 hours. Find the speed, which just means how far will it go per hour. So let's set up our proportion. We don't have A's and B's, but we do have miles and hours. So I'll write down miles per hour equals miles per hour. Now let's just put in the values where they belong. 400 miles, 400 goes with miles right over here. 400 miles in 8 hours. So the 8 goes with hours. Next, it says find the speed, or how far will it go per hour. And per hour means per 1 hour. So I'll write the 1 where it belongs. Now it's just a simple equivalent fraction. How do we go from 8 to 1? We do that by dividing by 8. So divide by 8, divide by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 400 divided by 8 equals 50, and write it down. But don't circle anything yet. Take a close look at the question, and it says, find the speed. And when they're asking for speed, they actually want the whole side of the proportion here. So our answer is 50 miles per 1 hour, or 50 miles per hour. And that's our answer. So write down 50 miles per hour and box it in. So just be very careful with these speed problems and make sure students use the correct units. In this previous example, if students simply said that 50 miles was their answer, they'd be incorrect because 50 miles is not a speed, it's a distance. The speed that we're looking for is 50 miles per hour, and that's why our final answer is written as 50 miles per hour.